from there, that's where we talk about advantages of celibacy. What are the advantages? Number one, you are able to be in union with Christ. If you have remained unmarried in order to serve God, that means you're in union with who? With Christ. Also, to exercise self-control. That is a good, you remain celibate to exercise self-control. Also, to please God or to be loyal to God. And to commit yourself in serving others. To properly commit yourself in serving others. Can we read the Bible on celibacy? Matthew chapter 19, verse 11 and 12. The bell has rung. Matthew chapter 19, 11 and 12.
And there are eunuchs who have been made eunuchs by men, and there are eunuchs who have made themselves eunuchs for the sake of the kingdom of heaven. He who is able to receive this, let him receive it.
Yes. So there are those ones who have left everything for the sake of following Christ. And here we are talking about eunuchs. There are men who have undergone what? Castration. Then we go to 1 Corinthians chapter 7. First Corinthians chapter 7 verse 5. Verse 32 to 35, so that you can learn about the advantages of celibacy.
I would like you to be free from anxiety. The unmarried man is anxious about the affairs of the Lord, how to please the Lord, But the married man is anxious about the worldly affairs, how to please the Lord, and his interests are divided. And the unmarried woman of God is anxious about the affairs of the Lord, how to be holy in body and spirit. But the married woman is anxious about worldly affairs, how to please her husband. I say this for you, for your own benefit, not to lay any restraint upon you, but to promote good order and to secure your undivided devotion to the Lord.
Yes, thank you. So you're going as an assignment, page 75.